Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to color grade in Adobe Premiere Pro. So doing so is really easy and really quick. Some people might think that it's a pretty complicated process, but it really doesn't have to be. I've got a winter clip loaded into my timeline right here, and as you can see from the playback, it looks a little warm. So I want to fix that. I want to make it feel a bit colder and fix the white balance a little, just make some minor adjustments. So to do so, I'm going to go to the workspace tab here. You can find it at the top right of your screen, and in your workspace, let's look for color. So this changes the panels that are shown, and it brings up the Lumetri Color panel. So this is where we'll be doing most of the work. So if there's no clip selected right now, you can see it says right there. I'm going to go ahead and select the winter clip that I want to correct. And I'm going to move on to the basic corrections first. So one thing I like to do is adjust the white balance. So this is supposed to be what is considered white as it's the snow. And now I'm going to bring the temperature a little down. Gonna bring the temperature to the left side, to the colder side. And I'm pretty satisfied with that, but the image still looks a little pale. I want to make the shadows a bit more green. So first, I'll make sure the saturation is turned a little up. That way, I don't have to go back to it later. So here in the creative section, you can see there are two options here, shadow tint and highlight tint. I want to make the shadows a bit green to match the look of the trees. So I'm going to move this ever so slightly to the green area. There we go. Maybe a little more. Then maybe I can also bring the vibrance up a little. And there you go. The shadows have been adjusted ever so slightly. Subtlety is key when making these corrections. You don't want to blow the image out too much. Conversely, I can also change the tint of the highlight. So let's say I want to make the lighter portions of the video just ever so slightly blue. I'm going to do so by moving this there. So what we did was we added some color contrast. So shadows being green and highlights being blue makes the image naturally pop a bit more. There we go. And there we go. So you can see a quick before and after here. So this is what it originally looked like. And if you compare it, you can see that it's noticeably colder. The image is a bit colder, as well as it popping out a bit more to the viewer thanks to the color contrast. So once we're done making our adjustments here, we can go back to the main assembly. This is something I created myself. You can save your workspace by clicking this button here. So you don't have to keep editing the panels every time you wanna change what you're doing. So that's how to quickly color grade your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.